Welcome back to another video. Today we got a shopping at Home Depot. We are looking at Ryobi Tool Days. I don't know if you guys are aware of that day, but it's once a year that Ryobi decides to discount or give a free tool or something. Buy one get one free, years, just like a Black Friday deal or a Christmas event. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. As we walk in here, we see some Ryobi garden tools or garden electric tools. You got a 159 deal, 199 for the chainsaw, 159 for the trimmer, 199 for the chainsaws, and 159 for that blower, I guess. And then we got that lawnmower over there on sale. And we got that one too. And I just thought I'd give you guys a quick peek of the garden tools from Home Depot. So you guys see the middle section right there with green. That is the specials for the Ryobi. So you go to the store, you can look out for that. Those are the two blades, pack of two for $16.97. It's actually a great deal because usually they're more than $10 each. So you're getting a couple dollars off, maybe about $4 off. So you guys can see that is the Anyone 6 amp hour, 18 volt lithium HP 120. So a pack of two. That's not the deal buy one get one free. You have to buy the other ones together, kit. But that's still a good deal for two big batteries. So you can see they still got plenty. This is actually the first day, not the first day, but one of the first days. So if you guys are looking for anything like this, always shop early. So you guys can see you got a 6-piece for $199. It's not a bad deal. It's not a bad starter. It does include just about anything you're gonna need. A reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool drill and impact driver, and a flashlight, of course, and a big bag and a supercharger. Not a supercharger, but one of those fast chargers. I heard bad things about the black charger, the new one that's coming out. So I don't know. I still gotta look at that. And that is a good deal. It's a 4-piece for $129. It does include the basic tools. So those are not brushless, by the way. Those are brushed tools. And that's the garden tool section. So you get $149 and you get the string trimmer and a blower, a charger and a battery. So it's not a bad deal if you just don't want to spend so much. You just want everything in one box. There you go. And don't expect these to be higher quality items. This is your medium duty type. And these are the items that you buy by themselves. They're usually the better quality. As you can see, that's the string trimmer refill thing, cartridge. Fits Ryobi 18 volts and 40 volts string trimmers. You got the pole saw for $149. The edge trimmer $119, and the chemical sprayer for $79.97. So I wish they had the backpack sprayer, so that's what I need. And I got the $199, the 99 deal with the impact driver and a drill driver. $129 for that brat nailer, 18 gauge. And $179 for this finished nailer. And that is the buy one get one free deal there. So we'll look at that later. Right now when we finish on this side. So this is a 1.3 amp hour, 18 volt drill driver kit and impact driver. That's a compact drill driver kit for $79. It's not bad. However, the most you buy, like a bigger pack, it's better. 70-piece impact driving kit for $14.97. That's not a bad deal. So if you're looking for inexpensive tools, this is the way to go. This is it's a great deal there for 60-piece multi-material drill and drive kit. It does include that bigger circle shaft or bit there. 40-piece impact rated driving kit, $9.97. And you got the 21-piece titanium coated for $9, under $10. They don't have any of the other ones yet, so they're probably just gonna, receive him in the truck and just keep pulling, having them in the shelf. So that's all they got for now. These are the buy one and get one free. So you gotta buy 2 batteries. I'll show you what you guys have to buy. It's 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $99, and you get any of those tools for free. So you get to choose one of those tools for free, which is not a bad deal because just the batteries themselves are like $80 a piece, or not $80 a piece, but $80 or $90 just for the batteries themselves. So they're basically giving you a free tool for like $10 or $15. That's what they're doing. So you got the reciprocating saw right there. I'm actually talking to these folks that they have questions about a blower, a smaller blower that they want to buy. That's an 18-volt 3-piece impact driver. So you can pretty much choose any of these. The best ones are the rotary tool and the radio. And that reciprocating saw, that's a good one too. So those are the best deals to get with this deal, because you always want to look at the price. You don't want to get nothing that's $40 or $30. You want to get something that's $79 or $69 or something like that. Those are the best deals to get with these batteries, and those are the batteries that you have to buy to get this deal. So you scan that on the register, and you basically scan any of the other tools, and that's how you get your discount, and you just pay the $99. That's the radio. It's a real nice radio. A lot of people have been getting that radio. And the power inverter for I believe it's 150 watts. Power inverter does have like a USB. You can see that they have a lot of kits available. So pretty. That's the 18-volt blower for $54.97. I would definitely try to get like I said, anything that's $79 or $69. It's a much better deal to get a free tool there. But yeah, it's a nice blower too for $54 or $55. Then they do have that 18-volt shear shrubber for $44.97. That's the one I was telling you guys about for $79.99. It's a little power inverter. It's 150 watts. So you do have to put in a battery in there, and then you can use the inverter. It's a 120 volts outlet, and does have a USB port there, so you guys can use it, and a light. So you get all those features with this. And a lot of Ryobi groups have been really excited about that item. I just, that's a vacuum and a fan. It's just that you can't run a lot of bigger appliances on that, so it's mostly for smaller appliances, like a small TV, a small fan. 18 volts, 4.5 amp grinder for $39.97. That's the caulking gun, 18 volts, $39.97. And then you got the dual power LED light or flashlight. Dual power or hybrid means that you can power them with the regular 120 volt outlet or a battery. That's a Job Plus base and multi-tool head, $69. That's not a bad deal. Some people were saying that the multi-tools are compatible with the rigid. So and that is the light. Like it says right there, it's you can plug it in or you can just put a battery in there. It's a hybrid basically for 69 bucks. I think with the free batteries, I think those are the great deals. Those are the better deals that you can get. And that's the inflator right there on the right, and I believe that's $29.97. So that's not really a great deal to get with this free item. If you need it, you know, don't get me wrong, obviously it's free, but if you can get something a little bit more expensive, it'll be more worth it, you know, like that jigsaw or the router. A little bit more expensive, and if you have to buy the tool, you won't have to spend that much. And that's the 18-volt circular saw, 6.5. And like I said, most of these tools are not brushless, so that's another thing to note. Most of these tools are not brushless. And me personally, I do have that reciprocating saw. I think it's a great item. Used it for cutting metal, cutting wood, pretty much small tree branches. It's real powerful. That's the 18-volt rotary tool. A lot of people have been buying this one, and it's something different. You know, it's not really your regular rotary tool. That's the nice looking radio. Actually, if you guys didn't see, there was another video. I believe the channel is Tools in Action, and they did have the comparison video of all the radios, like the tool radios, and that radio did pretty well actually. So that's the kit that you have to buy. It tells you right there the different types of batteries. And it does have like a little meter on those batteries, so it's the newer batteries. And that is the rapid charger, the new black charger that they have. It says compact, twice the runtime, special buy. Yeah, a lot of people been saying on the forums that this charger overheats the batteries. Then again, I don't know. That is valid through 5/16 through 6/19, as it says right there. And those are the tools that you can buy. It says get one free, buy one get one free. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Ryobi Days video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.